we're back on the put the fence together project. I got my cousin Gary here. We've prepared the tin. The old iron off the roof of the flats here has been retidied up. We've cut the scungy stuff out of it and filled in the nail holes here. And Gary's already put the first coat of paint over that. They're all cut to length, ready to go. Be slightly taller than here at 1.6, I think. These are the screws we're going to use. We're going to the valleys rather than in the hips. So there's the finished product, all painted up, ready to go, and as straight as we can get it.